Are you struggling with chronic pain, skin issues, or muscle recovery? You might have heard of red light therapy, but what if I told you it could do much more than just that? But here's the catch. Most people are completely missing out on its true healing potential. Red light therapy is not just a beauty trend. It can literally boost your overall health in ways you've never imagined. By the end of this video, you'll understand how it works, what makes it unique, and how you can start using it today for maximum impact. And trust me, the results might blow your mind. What is red light therapy and how does it work? Red light therapy, or photobiomodulation, uses specific wavelengths of light, mostly in the 600 to 850 nanometer range, to penetrate deep into your skin and tissues. Unlike UV rays that damage the skin, red light heals and works at the cellular level to promote healing and regeneration. Here's how it works. Your cells contain mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Red light stimulates these mitochondria, helping them produce more energy. Think of it like fueling your body's internal battery. This energy boost leads to better cellular repair, reduced inflammation, and improved skin health. And it's not just skin deep. Red light penetrates up to 8 centimeters into the body, reaching muscles, tissue, and even bones. It doesn't just help with surface-level issues like wrinkles. It goes deeper, tackling muscle recovery, joint pain, and even brain health. But there's a catch to using red light effectively, which we'll get into in a bit. For now, let's talk about how this therapy can benefit your health and beauty routine. 1. Revitalizes your skin. After 40, skin loses its elasticity, and fine lines and wrinkles become more noticeable. Red light therapy tackles these issues at the source by penetrating the skin's layers. It stimulates fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. In fact, red light masks have become a beauty favorite among celebrities like Julia Roberts. These devices are designed to deliver targeted wavelengths to your face, improving skin texture, reducing wrinkles, and even minimizing scars. So if you've been searching for a non-invasive way to achieve glowing, youthful skin, red light therapy might just be your secret weapon. But it's not just about beauty. This therapy has incredible health benefits too. Number 2, relieves muscle and joint pain. Aging often brings joint pain, stiffness, and even chronic conditions like arthritis. Red light therapy works by reducing inflammation in the affected areas and boosting cellular repair. Whether it's sore knees from years of activity or tight shoulders from daily stress, red light provides a natural and effective solution. And if you're an active person who loves to stay fit, red light therapy can also speed up muscle recovery after workouts. Number 3, boosts your energy and sleep. Red light therapy mimics sunlight's natural effect. It increases ATP production, your cell's energy currency, helping you feel more awake and focused. And it doesn't stop there. This therapy also supports better sleep by regulating your circadian rhythm. For those struggling with fatigue or insomnia, red light therapy could be the solution. A quick session in the morning or evening might help you feel more balanced, rested, and ready to take on the day. Number 4, strengthen hair and nails. Red light therapy can also promote hair growth and strengthen nails. As blood circulation improves, it delivers more nutrients to your scalp and nail beds, encouraging healthier growth. This is especially helpful for women experiencing hair thinning or brittle nails. A few sessions a week could lead to noticeable improvements over time. But here's something even more unexpected. Number 5, support brain health. Yes, red light can even impact your brain. It stimulates blood flow and oxygenation in deeper tissues, which can improve cognitive function and mood. For anyone concerned about memory or mental clarity as they age, this therapy is the best non-invasive way to support brain health. Sounds too good to be true? Let's talk about the science behind these claims. Is there science to back it up? Researchers have published thousands of studies on red light therapy, exploring its effects on everything from wound healing to muscle recovery. In one study, 90 patients received 8 LED red light treatments to their face over 4 weeks. More than 90% of patients said they noticed some improvement, including softer and smoother skin, less redness, and lightening of dark spots. Similar results have been seen in larger studies. In one large study, dermatologists saw that the patients who received in-office red light therapy after being treated with a laser had less discoloration and swelling from the laser. But here's the most important part: timing and dosage matter. Overexposure can be ineffective or even counterproductive. That's why it's important to use red light therapy correctly. How to use red light therapy safely and effectively. Step 1, choose the right device. Red light therapy devices come in many forms: masks, handheld wands, or full body panels. Look for devices with FDA approval and check the wavelength range, 600 to 850 nanometers, for optimal results. Step 2, start slow. Begin with 10 to 15 minute sessions a few times a week. Place the device about 6 to 12 inches from your skin, depending on the manufacturer's instructions. Gradually increase the duration as your body adapts. Step 3, target specific areas. For skin benefits, focus on your face and neck. For pain relief, use it on joints or muscles. Always wear protective eyewear if the device emits bright light. Step 4, be consistent. Like any good habit, consistency is key. It might take a few weeks to see noticeable results, but patience pays off. Keep a log to track your progress. Still wondering if it's worth the investment? Let's weigh the pros and cons. The pros and cons. Pros: non-invasive and painless, backed by scientific research. Improves both health and beauty, suitable for home use. Cons: high-quality devices can be expensive. Results require time and consistency, not a substitute for medical treatments. If you're ready to invest in your well-being, the pros far outweigh the cons. So what's next? If you're intrigued by the healing power of red light therapy, pair red light therapy with a simple, effective workout routine to amplify your results. Check out our video, What Happens When You Do Squats Daily, to discover how this daily habit can further transform your health and vitality. If you found it helpful, like this video and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips that keep you looking and feeling amazing at any age.